I'm a physical therapist and a certified lymphedema therapist. I would like to show you some exercises that will help with your range of motion. I'm going to show you another exercise that you can do for your shoulder range of motion using some over-the-door pulleys. These can be purchased either at a medical supply store, or you can just do a search online to find the pulleys to be used for this. So the first one is for your overhead motion like this, shoulder flexion. I would suggest starting with standing if your range of motion is pretty limited, and then we'll also show you how to do it in a seated position as you improve. So this first one, you're going to hold on to the pulleys with both hands. You do want your thumbs in more of an up position, so you might have to rotate your hands, and you're going to lift overhead there, having your uninvolved arm help your more involved and affected arm to reach a little higher. Again, this is something that you can hold at the top for 5 to 10 seconds or even more if tolerated. No sharp stabbing pain, more of a stretch pain is fine. And usually, again, 8 to 10 or maybe a minute or so of doing these. And then you can also do one for that out to the side motion called shoulder abduction, where you're going to turn your body a little bit more and try to lift that arm up out to the side. Again, thumb up. That's a better position for your shoulder joint to have the thumb up. 8 to 10 of these, or 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the seated position. So I'm going to show you how to do the pulleys in a seated position. You're going to have your chair in front of your door, and you can grab onto the pulleys with both hands there. And you're going to work on going up over your head. Again, your thumbs up. You can actually work on stretching both arms to the end range, focusing on maybe holding that involved arm a little bit longer at the top for that increased stretch as you go. I would do 8 to 10 reps or 1 to 2 minutes of this stretch. Again, no sharp stabbing pain, just more of a stretch. Holding it as needed at the top. And then for the out to the side position, you're going to bring your arms a little wider and focus on bringing that arm up out to the side for that stretch in the abducted position. Again, you can hold at the top. This one's usually a little harder for people, so you might not get quite as high. That's okay. Keep working at it. And do 8 to 10 of these or 1 to 2 minutes.